in this video I'm going to teach you how to take the blade off of these type of blenders or grinders. This is a high-speed multifunction grinder, but most likely majority of the grinders are the same way. So if you want to open the blades to just change them, to sharpen them, clean underneath them, this is the way you open them. So in this case you have 4 screws there. You don't want to open them, you need to open this nut on top. I'm using a socket, and you put the screwdriver, a flip screwdriver, in one of those screws, and make sure you're turning anti-clockwise. So I'll just put this right behind this bigger blade, so it gives me more leverage, and that's it. You open the. You might need another pair of hands, somebody else to hold this tight if it's too tight to undo this. And when you take them off, just make sure you put them back in when you want to put them back in the same order. There's a spring washer there, 1 blade, 2 blades, 3rd blade, which is this way, not that way, and another washer here at the bottom. So you put them in the same order and tighten it. You just reverse the process. That's it. I showed you how to take the blades off a multifunction grinder or blender. Some of the blenders have a knob somewhere you can press and then undo this instead of putting a screwdriver there. But in these kind of cases, you don't have that, so you need a screwdriver to have that there as a stopper. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, and if this video helped you, buy me a cup of coffee. I prefer cappuccino. Till next video, goodbye.